Just as a note, one of the things that I've learned about cooking is it requires some imagination. A lot of it is experimentation on flavors and tastes, um, things that you might like to eat or cook or do in the kitchen. Um, just take your time. It's a learning process. Some of your basic cooking ingredients: salt, pepper, garlic for seasoning. I like cooking with bell peppers, onions, celery, garlic. Celery doesn't require so much because it's strong, and so is garlic, so you just need a little bit. But experiment, enjoy your time, and just to let you know that this is Chef George just checking in with you. COVID-19, Corona Cooking 2020. Peace and blessings. Like, subscribe, and share these videos. Thank you. Okay, getting ready to make some mac and cheese.
George stay in the kitchen in his taste.
Big bowl. Cheese sauce. Some cheddar cheese. Margarine. And my noodles are cooking now. So once they're done, I'm gonna mix everything together and get this mac and cheese going. Thanks. Oh, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. So what we're going to do is put the butter, cheese sauce, and some cheddar cheese all together. The noodles themselves will make a thickening agent. So we're going to put that in there. Go ahead and pour this cheese sauce in there. That all that good cheese cheese sauce. All right, gonna mix everything together. Talk to you later. Here we go with everything in there: butter, cheddar cheese, cheese sauce. We're gonna mix it up. You want to put these covered because the noodles are not all the way done. They have just been blanched about 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Covered with plastic wrap